Alrighty, all welcome back to the channel. My name is Tommy, and of course I am with Monument Grills, and I definitely have a good show for you today, as it is going to be all about how to elevate your barbecue game, and we are going to do the whole thing on my Monument Grills Denali 605 Pro. And of course I am talking about an authentic jerk chicken. So what I want to do for you here is let's take a look at the board. We've got a little bit of prep work to do, and once we get that done, we will fire up my 605 Pro and get to cooking. Alrighty guys, look, you see the board, you see our ingredients there. I will have Monument Grills put all the ingredients down in the description so you could pick up everything you need, and you are gonna need a blender or a food processor because you are gonna get all those ingredients in the blender, and we are gonna give them a quick blend up. And once you get that out in liquid form, you are gonna wanna get one of those freezer bags. And the first thing you are gonna do here is get all those chickens in the freezer bags. You wanna lay them in there nicely. You do not wanna just throw them in there. If you throw them in there, you are not gonna get the coverage that you need. Once you get those all laid in, you are gonna get that liquid and pour it in that freezer bag. Now make sure you get all the air out of that freezer bag, smush it all around. That is gonna go in the fridge for anywhere between 4 and overnight. I did about 7 hours. Once that is all done doing its thing, I will bring you guys back. Alrighty, also here we go, approximately 7 hours later, and this is what I like to do. You do not want to wash all that marinade off, so I get myself a couple paper towels. I'll place that chicken on the paper towels. That'll give it a loose drain. I will let that sit there on the board for about maybe 15 minutes or so. At this time, what I want to do is let's take a walk over to my Denali 605 Pro, and let's get that fired up. So this here is my Denali 605 Pro, and I gotta tell you, I've used many gas grills in the past, and this is easily the best gas grill that I've ever owned, as it does everything and does it well. So basically what I like to do here is I like to fire up all the burners. I want to get heat as quick as possible, and once we have reached heat, I will adjust the burners from there, and at that time I will bring you guys back. Alrighty, so look, once that proper temperature is reached, in my case it is gonna be about 400 or so, I will work and get all the chicken on, and I will also adjust my temperatures down on the down in the middle and keep my two ends on high. I wanna run it at about that 400 range, and I wanna run it for 15 minutes without even checking. I wanna get a good start on this cook, and that is definitely going to get the job done. After 15 minutes, I will bring you guys back. So after that 15 minutes is up, I've got my middle burners now all adjusted on low. As we are going to turn the chicken, we want to start building that char. You know, char and jerk chicken goes hand in hand, and that is definitely going to get it done. You do not want to turn your burners on high in the middle because you will burn the skin real fast. We're going to take it another 10 minutes, but we are going to watch it closely, and we could use the glass to do it. After that 10 minutes, we will have about 25 minutes into the cook, and that is more than halfway done. I will bring you guys back, and we will flip them over again. So we've got a total cooking time of 25 minutes or so, and we will give the chicken another flip. And I gotta tell you, man, we are definitely getting close here. I mean, that leg breast is definitely looking good. At this point, we've got about another 10 minutes or so. You could start bumping the pit up now high across the board, but you are definitely gonna wanna watch things, as with that marinade, they will burn quick. So we will just turn everything up. We will let it go. We will watch things. At that time, I will bring you guys back, and we will finish up this cook. Alrighty, all, and here we go. A little under 40 minutes on this cook, and we will start to get the chicken off. And I gotta tell you, that is what jerk chicken is supposed to look like. That char, man, is nothing but flavor. I've got my board here on the pit. We will get everything off, and we will just let the camera run. As I can tell you, man, the smell is definitely in the air. I mean, the herbs are working. There is no doubt about it. I mean, look at that leg breast, man. Look at it dripping. That is definitely a reflection of that marinade. What I want to do here is let's get everything on the board. We will shut it all down. I will get it down to the shack. We will do that taste test, talk about it, and close out the show. Alrighty guys, and there you go, and that is gonna be your classic jerk chicken, all done on my Monument grills. I mean, how could you beat it? Everything is cooked perfectly. Everything is cooked right to temp. And do not forget, Monument Grills is gonna have this full recipe down in the description, so you could pick up what you need and make it also. This is definitely gonna up your Monument Grill game for sure. I mean, this sucker is loaded with flavors. I mean, we've got the rice working, we've got the lime in there. The chicken is going to be jerky. It's going to give you a little bit of a bite. That is exactly what you want. Not too much bite, but just a little bit bite. Let's go on in for that taste test, talk about it, and close out the show. I got to go in. Cheers. Alright guys, so look, right off the bat, I could tell you all the marinades that are in here, man, are absolutely incredible. I mean, you know, it just takes this up to another level. The flavors, man, this is about as island as you can get without being at an island. So you can bring that island right to your backyard, right to your Monument Grills, and you'll be grilling out really mighty fun, I can tell you that. So look, that is gonna close out this show. Again, remember, everything will be down in the description, so you guys can pick up everything you need and make it also. So my name is Tommy. I appreciate Monument Grills for allowing me to come over here and cook for them. And until next time, this is Jamaican jerk chicken, and we will see you soon.